Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi chives. Let's begin by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh chives, which are the star of our dish. For the vibrant flavor, prepare 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that perfect finish. First, carefully wash your fresh chives under cool water and ensure they are completely dry. This step is crucial for preventing sogginess. Next, cut the chives into manageable 2-inch to 3-inch lengths. Now, let's prepare our flavorful sauce. In a medium bowl, combine the gochugaru, soy sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, sugar, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth, well-blended paste. Now for the fun part, combining everything. In a large mixing bowl, add your cut chives and pour the prepared kimchi sauce over them. Using your hands, gently massage the sauce into the chives, ensuring every single piece is thoroughly coated. This ensures maximum flavor. Once mixed, transfer the kimchi chives into a clean, airtight container. Allow them to ferment at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired tanginess. Once your kimchi chives have fermented to your liking, transfer them to the refrigerator. This will slow down the fermentation process and keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. They are incredibly versatile. Serve them as a vibrant side dish with your favorite grilled meats, mix them into a bowl of warm rice, or use them as a zesty topping for noodles. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful kimchi chives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.